There is a major epidemic, a disease in golf that's most likely affecting your game and you don't even know it. In my opinion, it is the worst thing in golf today, and we're gonna fix it right now. Did you see it? Did you see what I did? I did what you should never, ever do. So let's break this down, all right? Well, hey, first, thanks for watching. And if you like the videos, even if you don't like them, please consider subscribing to the channel. Keep you up to date, hit the bell so you get all the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here we go. Watch closely. Let me know if you pick it up here. You see it? Did you see it? Did you see what I did? All right, check it out, watch. Here's what I see everybody doing. You're moving your hands way too much. You start like this. You see, this is how you start. Those hands are your worst enemy. It's the nightmare, it's the disease that's plaguing your game and it's causing so many issues, and we've got to get rid of it. You cannot start like this. Here's why. See, watch this. When you start with your hands, your club could go like this, and your hands could get farther away from your body. If you're picking your hands up and rotating them at the same time, it looks like this. That's horrible. That's gonna be a mess when you get to the top of your backswing. No good, no good. Also, you could do this. I see this all the time. That's no good either. See, you start rotating those hands and you never lift your arms. You never swing your arms, you just rotate. Who wants this swing? You're gonna be a disaster. No one's gonna wanna hang out with you. But we hear from so many people for so long about rotating those hands open, getting that toe pointed up. Here's the toe. They talk about getting it pointed up. So we interpret it as turn of hands. Totally wrong. Totally wrong. Don't do that. It's better to have the toe this way than this way. If you're gonna make a mistake, make that mistake, not that mistake. Even toe up, this is better. Toe down a little bit is better than toe up. Here's toe up. It's better to be here. They say you want this to match your angle of your spine angle. So if you're here, if I'm standing straight up, well then that's toe up, okay? But if I'm down a little bit, oh, that's where it should be. You see that? No one stands like this. Never have that open. No way. Toe up. Just match it, toe up, on your chest. That's your stance? Oh, that's where that should be. Like that. How do we get there though? Here is how we get there. Like this. You see, watch this weekend at the US Open, all right? Watch Xander Schauffele. Watch that guy, or search him on YouTube. Look for his swing. He does something that is just perfect. You're just gonna work on this. Nothing going on here. No, don't do that. This is your takeaway right in here. Nothing here. You're gonna take it, like, I don't even want this. No. This, no, too much. Nothing. That's what I want that takeaway to look like. You have your arms straight, but no hands at all. Hands are your enemy. Don't even think about them. Right here. No hands. And that's your swing. Not in here. No. Hands going straight back. Straight back and up. Right in here. Right in there. Just a no hand drill. We've got to get your hands out of the golf swing. I'm begging you. I'm pleading with you. Take your hands out of your swing. Please. Whoever you take lessons from will thank you. Everybody, your friends will thank you. People on the street will stop you and thank you. Thank you. They can't stand watching you. Guys at the range will just walk up to you and say, thank you. You're making me sick. Finally, you took your hands out of your swing. And they'll hug you. Everybody will love you more. The world will see world peace. Just take your hands out of your swing, please. I probably had too much hands even there. I'm telling you, this will solve the world's problems. Take your hands out of your swing. I'm begging you. So please don't make me beg again, okay? You guys are sending me your swings. Thank you. I love looking at your swings. Keep sending those in and I'll analyze your swings, all right? Click the link below. I'm looking forward to analyzing your swing. But what I see everybody doing is getting those hands with way too many hands. Too many hand. When you take it back with no hands, you're looking like this. Nothing. I didn't rotate one nibble. Nothing. None of that. Nothing. Just no hands. Not back here. Not this. That's not good, right? We're going to go straight back with our hands. Straight back with our hands. And up. That's your drill. You don't need your hands for distance. Just forget that. Let's remove all hands for now. We'll add a little wrist later. But first we gotta get rid of those hands. All right, so while you're watching the US Open this week, all you're thinking about is no hands. Watch everybody, watch all their swings and see how much hands they start with. It's probably zero. Everybody you're gonna see, that's all I want you to think about. Look at hands this week, okay? Thanks for watching. Comment below. Let me know whose takeaway move you like the best. That's what I wanna know. Who's your favorite takeawayer of the golf club? Comment below, let me know. I like Xander Schauffele. That's my guy for takeaway, my favorite takeaway on tour. All right? Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. No hands. No hands this week. The week of no hands. I'm telling you, it'll help the whole world. And it'll help you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the share, hit the comment. Subscribe to the channel too. We'll see you next time.